This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So I can ask the next question. So how do you think about if the input is wrong?
Sure.
If the input is wrong, for example, you're trying to log in and you're using integers instead of string in the name field, what do you look at and how do you validate that?
Well, I have been doing all of this in my negative testing, basically. This is the tricky part for the QA. As my user stories say, the field has to be string. I will provide the integer, and I am expecting there is two validation here. When I do from the API, I'm expecting there should be a message. You need to provide the string. That's my backend validation. I found actually the issues on the front end. So when I tested this on the front end, I get the message that, hey, you are supposed to provide the string, not a number. But when I tested in the back end, I actually did not get any message. So it is not a bug, or it is a bug actually. I got the error message as status code, but I did not get a message, you are supposed to give the string. So I created a ticket that, well, we need to improve this as part of the user experience. From that, the same moment, we have decided to implement the backend validation for each of the API. So that regardless of the front-end validation we implement or not, even if the front-end validation is not there, mean the user message, if they provide the wrong data, still the backend will be rejecting the request. So that part actually, I actually took the ownership and ensured all the implementation happened across the backend for each of the APIs. Did I answer your question, by the way?
Yeah, you did.